everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. And you people are paying attention towards what is being taught. So be ready for the next assessment. So if you all remember, we started with lesson 8, that is the hack driver, and the first half of the lesson was completed. We are left with the other half that I'll be doing today with you people. But before I jump on to the other half, I'll just do a quick brush up so that if some of the students would have missed out or maybe they did not pay the attention, and they will be able to grasp the essence of the lesson. So the lesson starts with the narrator explaining that after completing his graduation, he started working with a law firm and his job was to serve summons. And one day he got the task of serving summons to Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness in some case. And he lived in a small town named New Million. And when he reached there, he saw a hack driver who was standing at the platform. And he was very cheerful and nice, but he was very cunning as well. So he cunningly extracted the information from the lawyer that why had he come here, and the lawyer said that he had come here to find a person called as Oliver Lutkins and he was needed for some court case. Then a deal was cracked between both of them and it was decided that the hack driver would help the lawyer to find this person called as Oliver Lutkins. Then they went to Fritz, where the poker game was played and Oliver Lutkins used to play poker. So poker is a game of cards, I had already explained you the last week. So they go to Fritz to catch Lutkins while he would be playing poker. But Fritz tells them that he had gone to Gustav for a shave. So Gustav is the barber. Okay, so we had done up till here. That is, if you can see over here, Fritz looked at me hiding behind Bill. He hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. Yes, he's gone over to Gustav's to get a shave. So when he said them that he had gone to Gustav is the barber, they went there. At that place also they were not able to meet him and they were told that someone saw him, that is Oliver Lutkins, at the pool room. And then they went there. Then there also somebody said that he had come here but he had left after he bought cigarettes. मतलब वो लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहे हैं and the hack driver is really very helpful because he is helping him to find Lutkins. He took him to Fritz, then he took him to Gustav's, then he also took him to pool room, but unfortunately they could not find Oliver Lutkins. Then Bill, he described Lutkins as a cunning man. He said that वो बहुत cunning है. And he now guessed that he must have gone to Grace for a shave. वो Grace मतलब जो owner है वो वहाँ गया होगा shave कराने के लिए. In the afternoon what happened? Bill offered him to buy lunch from his wife as it would be less costly than at the restaurant. तो उसने lawyer को बोला कि if you will buy food from the restaurant it would be very cost effective. So why don't you buy lunch from my wife? Then they had lunch and of course the place that they had their lunch was a very beautiful place. And by that time the clerk or the lawyer, he was totally impressed by the hack driver, that is Bill. Bill's nice and very humble and the very cheerful nature, because he was under impression that he was helping him to the extreme. And he had even started comparing the people of the village from the people who resided in city. Then they again started their hunt of finding Oliver Lutkins. Then they finally decided that they would look for Lutkins at his mother's house on the basis of information that they derived from one of his friends. And the lady, that is mother of Oliver Lutkins, was horrible. And they hurriedly left the place because she was about to attack them with a hot iron rod. And after all these difficulties and hardships that the lawyer or the clerk had to face, because after going to number of places they were unable to locate or find Oliver Lutkins. So he felt that this is not my cup of tea. So at last he decided to leave without serving summons to Lutkins. Because they tried their all best. They kept moving from one place to another. Fritz के पास गए, फिर barber shop में गए, pool room में गए, शेव जहाँ कराने जा सकता था वो वहाँ भी गए. They finally went to his home where they were treated badly by his mother. So his mother was a horrible lady. She told them to run away from there, otherwise she would hit them with a hot iron rod. So now he had lost all his hope. He did all what he could do, but he was unable to find Oliver. Next day, when he reached there to his place, and he said his chief, his boss, that despite all my efforts, I was unable to locate him. He was scolded badly by his boss, by his chief. He was scolded badly. Why? Because he was unable to do the task. And he was again sent to New Million. So his chief told him that you are of no use, but you need to go again. But this time you will be going with a companion. So if you can see, the chief almost murdered me. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. तो चीफ ने उसको बहुत डांटा और बोला कि तुम किसी काम की नहीं हो. I was ordered back to New Million, and with me went a man who had worked with Lutkins. So the chief told him that you will have to go, but this time you will go with a companion who knew Lutkins. I was rather sorry because it would prevent my loafing all over again with Bill. When the train arrived at New Million, Bill was on the station platform near his cart. Strangely enough, that old tigress, Lutkin's mother, was there talking and laughing with Bill. So the lady who had chased them with a hot iron rod was now very lovingly talking to Bill. Now that was of course a surprising sight. Not quarreling at all, very contradictory to her nature, what he had seen. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion and said, "There's a fine fellow, a real man. I spent the day with him." "He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins?" the companion asked. "Yes, he helped me a lot." "He must have. He is Lutkins himself." Now here comes the secret. The hack driver was himself the person Oliver Lutkins. So when they reached the station, the clerk very happily and cheerfully pointed out that Bill was such a helpful person to him search Lutkins. And a very surprising sight was that the lady, mother of Oliver Lutkins, who was quarreling that day, today was so humble and polite. What really hurt me was that when I served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. And when the truth was revealed by his companion that the hack driver was none other than Lutkins himself, the clerk felt so bad and ashamed of how he had been fooled by a villager. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. "I told them about you and they are anxious to look at you," said Lutkins joyfully. "They are about the only folks in the town that missed seeing you yesterday." So he's making fun of him. That I want some people to see you because I told them whatever had happened. That for the entire day you were with me and surprisingly you were looking for me. So this is how the chapter ends. And of course now your job is, you can see the questions over here. If you really want to help yourself, write a summary of the chapter in your words and then write the answer to all the questions. So thank you students. Next week we'll start with a new chapter.